Hi, welcome to Basic English. In today's episode, I have a new phrase for you. Pep talk. Do you know what does it mean? Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it in our daily conversation. Pep talk, which basically means a short, encouraging quotation that help people work faster and better with more enthusiasm. অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি কোনো উৎসাহব্যঞ্জক বাণী. Let's look at some example for better understanding. The first example we have: our boss always try to give a pep talk to his new employee. Example 2. Before every football match, coach always gives his player a pep talk to help them win the game. Example 3. I used to hear motivational song which peps me up to do hard work. Example 4. A small pep talk before any game really boosts up our confidence. The last one we have: sometimes a pep talk can really change our life dramatically.